welcome to Fishing Impossible UK. Fishing Impossible UK? What's going on?
Hang on a minute.
Hang on a minute. This is my episode because I caught 4 Dover sole last night. One of them being the heaviest out of all 3 of us that were fishing, so 1.38 pounds. I'm so proud of that because the only other one that I caught you saw in the previous videos is the ray fish. So I was ecstatic. It's hilarious, watch it. And yeah, as Max said in the previous videos as well, we never claim to be professionals, so that's not what we're trying to do. We're just trying to have a laugh. And we're learning as well, as you'll be able to see as well with the filleting. We're learning as we go. So click and subscribe, hope you enjoy it. And yeah, have fun. Hang on.
Yes!
Do you know what it is?
What is it?
It's Dover sole.
Get in!
It's a keeper.
Yes! Oh.
That's not the reason.
Jesus, that's a big one, that, isn't it?
Oh my God.
This is why you need the shark glove. There it is.
It's a massive one. What's the point? It's like
It's got spines.
Has it got spines
no,
on
it's
it?
got nothing wrong with it.
Rayla's second fish.
Massive one.
Let's have a look. Jesus. Shall we put it in the bag and get all the stones off?
Yeah.
Right.
And you can add it all that. Okay, right?
Second fish.
Oh, he went to look at the key. And I looked at Friday and they were 6 pounds and they were half the size of that.
Say that for the camera. What
We went
happened?
to looking for a key
Yeah.
and we seen them in the
Fishmongers.
fishmongers. And they were half the size of that. And they cost £6.
Jesus. So that must be worth about what? Good tenner.
Tenner.
Easy. But she's coming home with us. Let's get some more water in that.
Yeah.
There she is.
Mate.
But do you know what? I think that was swimming into me.
Well,
Like
yeah,
you said,
yeah.
because I felt nothing. on the
Really?
end of that.
That's what I mean. It goes light and then it goes heavy.
No, it didn't even go heavy until the last second. Though.
Really?
The last second.
Why are all the fish you catch massive?
I know.
Does my head in?
If you never catch it, the wench is up and don't top that.
I'm buzzing with that.
Get in.
She's a beauty.
Happy days.
I'm buzzing with that.
So what's that now? What are they called?
Dover sole.
Dover sole. You've had a ray fish and a Dover sole so far. And that was...
I wonder how much that one weighs actually.
That's a good point actually. Do you want to set a record?
Yeah.
Let's have a look then. So that's at Boscombe Pier, 9:30, June the 8th, 2020, on Ragworm again. Happy days. Let's weigh this baby. Just grab it
Really
convincing.
hard, it's like it cuts your hands.
Do you want the shark glove?
Yeah. Where's the shark glove? I'm a new fisherman.
The newbie glove.
Come on, look at me. There we go, I've got that.
Right. Where are the chips?
£1, yeah.
Yeah. $1.38. So that's the record to beat for the Dover sole.
That's £1 on a pair.
Nice.
Go back in there where you crash.
You should have picked it up so we could have a proper look at
Yeah.
it.
She's pretty slippy though.
Alright, let's have a
Is that
proper
for
look.
you? No, it's still in its mouth.
Yeah, the hook's there, we can get that out.
You want me to do the recording and then you just, I can't grab hold of it?
I'm
Go on
going
then.
to just go and get on my rod actually. I don't really know why you're taking it. What, you're choking yourself, Max?
I've just pissed myself. true. We're
Yeah, we're not gonna. Yeah, we're coming it.
Grab. Hey!
Oh no, it's on the show.
Oh, another one.
It's on the show.
Oh my god.
Feeding the family!
Oh.
Right.
They just swallow the hooks. She's a beauty.
Oh, that.
Get over, you can't be doing that.
Yeah.
That's just like, get over it. Stop being a bird. Put it
have
in
a
the
look.
bag to keep it warm.
Turn it around, let's have a look.
She's a beauty.
So that's 2 that you've had of them tonight. So that's dinner and tea.
Oh, I haven't had anything for 5 months or so, and now I've had 2 Dover sole.
Isn't it? The Dover Soul goodie bag.
Swim, my pretty. Yes! Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey!
Another?
Another Dover! Hey!
It's a little baby.
Free fish!
What is going on? That's right.
We're down at Boscombe Pier. Rayla's out of us tonight. She's pulled in 3 Dover sole fish. This one's just a baby. Jesus, it's so slippy. I can barely keep hold of it. She's out.
Perfect, babe. Perfect.
Let's have a proper.
Look at Rayla.
Jesus. This is defo. The muscle in it
It's
to slide out your hand is amazing. Bring it right in close. The detail, can you see the detail?
Yeah.
Jesus. Done a backflip. Right, we're just going to get it in. We're going to take the other ones home and eat them, so we'll get a more detailed look then. But that's pretty much it. It's not mine, take no credit, but let's get it back. It's like slimy. Really good at wiggling out your hands. But then when you go the other way, it feels like a dogfish, like really like sandpaper. But this area right here is definitely the place for Dover sole fish, so probably come back for more of them because they're edible. We've not tried them yet, but we're gonna take them 2 big ones home and we're gonna eat them, cook them up and whack it in this video. First catch it, cook it, eat it. So we'll show you how that goes. 4! That's defo eatable size.
Edible.
The bottom one can go, the top one can stay. What?
My dad's just pulled in 2 on one rod. Both Dover soles.
Yeah.
He's waited all night for these puppies. Yes.
Brilliant.
Yes.
Right all that way. And that was a £6, really, in that shop.
A £6 defo.
Yeah.
Easy a £6. They're hard to get off these. That bottom one looks easier to get off.
That's what I'll say then. Because that's getting it.
All day. Yeah,
Just that
that was getting eaten. How's it feel to save yourself a plank?
Oh, mate, that was scary, that. Oh, so I told you that, just leave the first one and wait for the second one.
True, you did say.
Did you just chuck the right one away?
Yeah. Well, you trying to be funny.
Dad's just pulled in the what's that, the 6th Dover sole of the night.
Right. Just go back.
Just to top it off. We were just packing up.
Oh, another one! Another? Again.
4!
We caught this teddy bear last night.
Right, so a bit of a different episode today. Rayla last night caught 4 Dover sole fish, which is the first time we've ever caught them fish. I've still not caught one. They are edible fish, so what we're going to do is eat them, as you do. But we measured the weight of like Layla's biggest Dover sole last night, and that is on the video, but we didn't measure how long it was, so that's what we're going to do now. So I imagine it's so it's like 16 inches, 41 centimetres. That's the record on our channel at Fishin' Impossible UK to beat. That's the record to beat. Because we've never filleted one before, we're going to put the biggest one away. We're going to have a practice run with a smaller one, and then we'll come back to the bigger one after that. So, I've been waiting to use this fillet knife that I got for Christmas from my dad. You've seen him on the channel. He already descaled this before. Basically, all you want to do is hold it at the tail and then just descale it like that, because these fish, you feel like sandpaper when you go against the grain. It's the easiest way to do it is hold the bottom of the fish and just descale it towards the head, and then just get rid of all that. A few little interesting facts before we begin about these Dover fish is the shallow water fish, and you prefer like warmer waters as well. So whenever it gets cold, you tend to like just navigate to warmer waters, like around the Mediterranean and stuff like that, apparently. As you can see, it's from the flatfish family, so on one side it's flat, and then the eyes are actually on the right hand side of its body. And that's basically so that they sort of bury themselves in the sand, so you just sort of like stalk the prey and then like come out and hunt, grab them, game, set and match. But the interesting fact about it is they weren't actually born a flatfish. They were born just like any ordinary other fish with like, you know, eye on each side of its body. And then when you get to about 1 centimetre long, they like metamorph into a flatfish. Well, that's the word on the street anyway. So that's it. So what we're gonna do now is like fillet it anyway. Right, that's a trial done of the ducks. We're gonna do practice runs. I mean, That's the first one. Ain't claiming to know what we're doing. This is as raw and as real as it gets. But this is the alpha. Basically, what I've just learned at my 2 trial runs is start, flip it upside down, because you can actually see where the bones are along here, like where you need to cut. You know what I mean? Smaller ones, it's a bit harder to see. So just get your scissors and you just cut. Do this first. That's my mistake. Do this first before you cut the skin off, because that first fish we just did, we did it the other way around and it was an absolute nightmare. Follow that, holding the tail of the fish all the way up to the head. Second one. You can hold the wing if you really want, however you want to do it, but this is just how I found it easier after 2 attempts. Never done this before. All the way to the top of the head. I'm no expert, so don't judge or do. It's up to you. Right, let's flip that back round. Put a towel, because these are so slippy. I'm sort of bending the fish upwards. That's just give it an arch to try and get under the insertion that I've made. Try not to pierce the skin again though. There's no rush, just try and get the cut right. Right, there you go. Right, put that out to the side now. Now we've got a bit of a lip, because we don't want to take the fat with. So, I've just been using this as a secondary grip. Take the towel, pick up the piece that you just cut, and start peeling towards the other side of the fish now. So to try and stop any unnecessary tears. This is starting to take the meat with it, which is not what we want. Before that gets any more damage, I'm try and cut that. Peeling all the meat off it. Why is this happening? If anyone knows why this is happening, have we cut deep enough in? Or do we need to cut further in? It's like, you can already see its guts there. Have I not cut them wings off close enough in? I don't think I have. That's what I'm going to do.
There we go.
This is what happens when you try and save meat. Yeah, that's it. Jesus, my thumb's stuck in scissors. That's what you're looking for when you cut it. The fish, the meat either sides. I didn't cut enough off, which is making me think I've not done it here. It's sort of transparent, so I'm assuming you just want to cut the whole, any sort of transparency, get rid. Yeah, want to get all them guts out really. Right, let's try this again. We've lost a bit of meat, but because we weren't rushing, we've seen the mistakes we made. Put that on that now. Try and continue this. There she is.
Perfect.
Yes, she is. Right over its head apparently. Who makes the rules? That. Right. Even cutting it too low down the fish.
Mm.
Oh well, practice makes perfect at the end of the day.
Exactly.
There you go. There it is. Alright, it was a messy job, but I'm only learning. And this is all part of the Fishing Impossible tale at the end of the day, because I'm not claiming to be an extreme fisherman. I'm learning and I'm showing you the journey as I go. That was butchered, but the meat's still there, intact. So it's messy now. What we're going to do is clean them up, wash them, and then we're going to cook them and eat them. And it's going to look better than this by the time we come to eat it. So yeah. This is the Dover sole with the heads and tails cut off, fully washed and cleaned after filleting. Layla's going to cook them up.
I'm going to place them just on this baking tray. It's very messy, but can always clean, it's not a problem. Just sprinkle some flour over them on each side as well, so flip them over the other side and just repeat. I love my salt, so I always go a little bit mad when it comes to salt. They've got their flour over them. Perfection. Oil. We're trying to use least amount of oil as possible.
You told her to record.
Amazing, thank you. That's on each side. I'm going to place that right there.
Turn the heat a little bit.
Yeah, we want that. Perfect. Oh, touch of this one.
Nice.
A few more knobs of butter in there. Separate the meat, just cut it down the middle. We're going to separate the meat on either side. Meat's so soft.
First attempt, that's pretty
I use
good.
a spoon, I think you're right. I use a spoon next time. But look at that.
And then is that all the bones off?
That's all the bones gone. Perfect. I'm melting some butter now again. I'm going to scoop all this garlic. Me and Max absolutely love garlic. We're huge fans of garlic. So what we do, I think I just chopped up around 7-8 cloves. Seems excessive, but genuinely that's how much we love our garlic. And it probably still won't be enough. It just seems a bit too excessive doing any more than that. So I backed off on 6 or 7. I'm just going to let that sizzle slightly.
Smells amazing.
Smells incredible. Food is not the same without garlic. I don't want that garlic to burn either. What I'm going to do is put some parsley in. This is chopped up parsley, of course. We just buy it in the packet, so you can buy it anywhere. Might be a little bit too much, but I am going to have to put a little bit more butter in. So we haven't really eaten today. This was a glass of white wine.
Put a little white wine in there.
Yeah, put a little bit of white wine in. Have a girlfriend with no eyelashes.
Oyster bait, no promotion or anything like that, but oyster, fish, come on.
Little bit of white wine. The alcohol will burn off anyway. You're not going to be getting pissed.
Not from that anyway.
No. You will after we drink a whole bottle like we do. 2 bottles, 3 bottles. I want the garlic still to be quite fresh, so what I'm going to do, pop these new potatoes in soon. Just want to place a few, and this is what I meant. We put quite a few, you don't have to eat all of them, we just save some of them. I use my hands because I'm an animal. What do you need? Look at that. That smells incredible. There's not enough juice in there, so what I'm going to do, because I wanted to make a little bit of a jus, like a sauce, for the that. Make things a little bit more saucy. A lemon. I normally just squeeze lemons like this, it just makes it easier. Just stick a fork in there.
Stick a fork in
Stick a fork in it. A few pips have come out there, so I'm just going to pop those out.
Alright.
Don't want to be crunching into a
Now
lemon.
we've got a bit more juice. Homemade, fresh out the sea, Dover sole.
Ooh. Oh my god, wow.
Is it good?
It's incredible.
Mmm. Oh my god. So tender.
Yeah. And those flavours as well with the parsley and the garlic and
Put it this way, if you catch a Dover sole, you definitely need to take it home, cook it and eat it. Because that is as good as any fish I've ever tried. And on that note,
cheers.
cheers.
Wow.